Hi guys, if you are confused between VXX and VIX, you are not alone. So in today's guide, you are going to understand the difference and which one you can actually invest in. So the VIX measures expected market volatility based on S&P 500 and options. It is often called the fear index. The important point to note here is that you cannot directly buy or invest in VIX. Now, the iPath series B S&P 500 VIX short-term futures ETN, which is VXX, is an ETN which is designed to track VIX futures. This means VXX is going to give you indirect exposure to volatility. So VIX here is the index and VXS is the tradable product, but VXX tracks the futures and not the actual VIX, so they don't move exactly the same. Here VXX suffer from decay over time due to rolling future contracts. This means that it often loses value in the long term. It's mainly used for short-term trading and not the long-term investing. If you want to analyze the market fear, you can watch VIX. But if you want to trade volatility, you can just simply use VXX carefully for short-term moves. So thanks for watching.